Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Bluesky account private. So it is not going to be a exact step to do that because it is going to be dealing with a public app. So you can, they are not basically going to respect your request of making your account privately, but they are going to limit the here appearance of your account and also the reach of your account through multiple or two options that we are going to show you. So the direct option that Bluesky is going to propose for you is to head over your account, click on settings, and then you're going to head over the privacy and security, click on it, and you're going to see something called logged out visibility. So you're going basically here to activate or tick that specific space, and you're going to discourage apps from showing your account to logged out users. So the external users are not going to be able to see your account. This is something good. But you're going to read a little bit of a note in here that the Bluesky is an open and public network. This setting only limits the visibility of your content on the Bluesky app and the website itself, which is going to be this platform. And other apps may not respect these settings. Your content may still be shown to logged out users by other apps and websites. So it is not going to here have your full privacy on, but it is going to be something that will limit the reach. Now, the second option that I'm going to suggest for you is to head over your home, and when you are going to create the post, you can go ahead and create your post, and then we are going to limit the interactions. So if you're going to have a post, and maybe you're going to have this post a little bit of not, I'm not going to say that it is going to be full private, well, it is going to be a little bit limited on the reach. So if you're going to put these settings for the replies for nobody, nobody is going to be replying. That they are going to just like it, and for the interactions or the replies from nobody, it is not going to have that popularity. So it is not going to head over the first pages or the first feeds. So it is going to be limited. And if you're going to share with everybody, you can go ahead and only or combine an option with the as you can see here options. We have mentioned users, user follows, and the followers. So this is going to limit the reach. And also, do not forget that you can not allow the quote posts in here. So those settings are going to limit the reach for your account, and that means that it is not going to be shown to all of people, and then you're going to be a little bit okay or under the shadow a little bit. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.